Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Study Desk of Anand. So in this series of Python interview question and answer, we are going to see how we can create an instance member in Python. So in Java, we know that we can define a class and we can define constructor, create object, right? So same thing we wanted to achieve in Python. So we will start with the class person. This will be the blueprint of my object person which I am going to create. So first I will create a constructor that we can see constructor here in Python underscore init is nothing but constructor. So here we are passing name and as. So these two argument for assigning it when the object is being created. And self is a built-in keyword which is pointing to the current object that we are creating. Now we have one more method called display, which will print the value. And this is also referring with the self keyword, which means like it refer to the current object. Let's create an object here. So I would say P1 equal to person. So I have given it as Alice and 30. Let me call the display method and see what's the output I'm going to see. So that we can see that we have created an instance here at the line number 12 which has two argument name and age. This is being created and constructor assign this value to the object, and when I'm calling p1 dot display the same object, so we'll be able to see the name and its corresponding value. So this is how a class is being created in Python, and we define a constructor, we can call the method using the object. So this is something a Java developer struggle initially when they move to Python. They are unable to understand the logic. So because the problem is here in Python, we can directly write a print hello world and we are able to execute them, and we can, there is no such thumb rule which we need to follow. In case of Java, right, we everything start with the main functions. So this is not the case in Python. So because of that, initially a Java developer struggle here, but once they understood the problem, understand the concepts, how we can write in Python, right, they will be find much more easier and familiar uh, in terms of writing the Python code. So I hope you have understood the concepts of creating instance member and classes and constructor here. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Happy learning.